Hello and welcome. Today we have the Batman Beyond face reveal bust by Diamond Select. Terry Mcginnis was a teenager with a troubled past when a brawl with the Jokerz gang brought him to the doorstep of the reclusive Bruce Wayne. Discovering the old man's secret history as Batman, Terry knew just where to turn when his father was murdered by Derek Powers. Stealing the latest high-tech Batsuit, Terry convinced Bruce the world still needed a Batman. Let's take a closer look. The edition is 230 of 450. For more from Diamond Select, please see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.